So I just got my item, and as you guys can see, the pillowcase or whatever it's called doesn't fit. I already tried to find the position, the way to put it on, but this is too small for this. The quality is good. It's just I think they didn't send me the right size. So yeah, I'm gonna return it probably. I'm gonna get the right size for this. But yeah.
This new ramp just arrived and it's perfect. Perfect size because Bruno and Snuggle will not use the one I already have. This one that my dogs are used to. But they keep jumping up and down. So, Snuggle, show Snuggle. Snuggle, come. You scared them. You scared. Ben use it too. Ben, go. Good boy, Ben. He's showing off. Showing off. Ben just locked up for now. So Ronnie can have a free time.
So I bought these dog steps for my cat, actually. And it comes with this cover that this is the bottom. There's no way in the world this thing is fitting in here. See that? So I don't know if it's going to work or not because I have to send it back because it's trash.
Ready, one more time. Sit. Sit. Come on up. Up, up, up. Up, 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 up. Oh, you're a good girl.